Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at and test this Up Welding little portable MIG and arc welder. We're just going to demonstrate it with the rod today, arc welding. We've done other videos on the MIG welding function. So it has a little selection switch on the front for your MIG or arc settings. Your diode here, ground set up. It can run on 110, which is pretty nice. Comes with everything you need to get started. That's all there is to it, folks. Nice, quiet, easy to use welder. Does a pretty good job welding. Show you right here. Don't ignore the other ones at the top. Anyways, pretty good little welder. We did receive it as a sample.